Reading lines from text file in Python, Windows. I am working on a simple import routine that translates a text file to a JSON file format for our system in Python. My question is, why do I need the strip? I thought that Python was supposed to magically know the newline constant for whatever environment I am currently in. Am I missing something? I should clarify that the text file I am reading from is an ASCII file that contains lines of text separated \n.
Python keeps the new line characters while enumerating lines. For example, when enumerating a text file such as you get two strings, foo\n and var\n. If you don't want the terminal new line characters, you call strip. I am not a fan of this behavior, by the way.
See this. Python is usually built with universal newline support, supplying you opens the file as a text file, but lines may be terminated by any of the following: the Unix end-of-line convention \n, the Macintosh convention \r, or the Windows convention \n.
Try the following in a Python interpreter to see what the language does. Python does recognize the correct new lines. Instead of using strip on your strings, you might want to write mstring.replace \n instead. Check the documentation.
You need the strip because for line in file keeps the line terminators on the lines. It's not explicitly stated in the docs, at least in the 2.71 doc I'm looking at. But it functions in a fashion similar to file.readline, which does explicitly state that it retains the new line.